視頻咯。So I'll show you my hair size. This one. 22.5, right?
Right.
22.5. So you just saw I put the wig on my head, so I still can put my fingers inside the cap. So it means that wig is bigger than 22.5. So it can match medium size and bigger size. So it's bigger than 22.5. No problem. This wig can fit you. Can fit your head. Yeah. It will show you my hair size is 22.5. So I think this cap is good for you because I still can put my feet inside the cap. I show you now. So it's stuck inside, so you can see I can still put my fingers like this in, you see. You still can check here. See? 睇到啊? You see, I still can put. So I think it's no problem. Here, so I will put the hair back. And we see. So I think it's good.